walk in west. This is fake. Everyone count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone drop on the crown. Count. Okay, keep pressuring them. Pressure them dito. They're separated now. They're panicking, boys. They're panicking. Pressure them. We're clap kite, but we're pressuring them. Okay? Pressure them ditang. Keep moving south. DPS now, southwest. On the choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke. This is weak. On the choke. Okay, again. Get ready, ha. Get ready my support. They will counter soon. Defensive. Good fucking sound. Keep walking. Just keep walking. Keep faking them. CC them now, ditang. CC them now. Everyone now. On the ground. South. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On south now. Fully drop south. Okay? Again. Keep moving. Keep pressuring them. Come to me south. Keep moving south. Forgot. Sorry. I didn't mark my sword. Is Yudes here? Not yet. Defensive.
Armor.
Defensive. Again, do fake naso. Keep moving west. Fake now. Nice one. Everyone count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grab on the crown. Just grab on the crown. Full drop on the crown. Keep pushing them. Nice. Pressure them, my D-tanks. Pressure them. How many seconds TPS?
5.
Ready? Boys, get ready. Demon, get ready. Wait. I will do fake. Demon now. Everyone now.
Yep.
Defensive. On me, counter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside the bus. This is fake. Big. Fully drop.
Wow, may
Then,
mana
so stabilize. Walk east now. Walking east. Walk with them.
They have engaged now.
Okay. DPS now, get ready. Northeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone on the crown now. Crown.
They're looking for an engage now.
Yudes, where are you, Yudes? Come to me east side. Okay, keep moving, keep getting east. My bad. I didn't mark Yudes.
Engage.
Okay, hold now. My DPS now. Come west. My DPS come west. West. Shallow on the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the crown. Just tap on the crown.
Mana ni ba?
They're looking.
Okay, yes. Kite a bit northeast. Peel them.
Looking east.
Okay, peel them for now. Fuck. I didn't mark Yudes. I don't have perma yet. Our jacket is broken. Okay. Just to support the front line. DPS get ready. Counter west in 5,
Wait.
in 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone drop on the ground. Just drop. Okay, we stabilize northeast for now. I don't mark Yudes. Kite north. We need to cycle the jacket first. Okay?
They're looking on the choke.
Okay, they're looking for the choke. It's okay. Just peel. Keep walking north. Okay? On the choke now, over the bend. All my DPS now. Look on the vent, south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone look on the crown now. Crown. Just tap on the crown. Then keep cycling there. Hold on the choke. Hold on the choke. Wait, I will mark. Ano na lang? Who's my RB? Cycle with RB, Ben. I don't have perma yet. Okay?
Come back, guys.
Okay, come to me south. Stay with RB. My bad.
Who's your RB?
I mark it as sword. I mark him as sword. Okay? Okay, after the GA south, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone drop on the shallow.
They're looking.
It's okay. Just peel them, my D-tanks. Support. Okay? Get ready. They will counter soon. Don't stay in the choke. Don't overextend. DPS
They're
ready?
looking now.
Okay. Look south, shallow. Okay, let's do fake first. Okay? Come south. Jacket on the sword. They pop defensive now. Walk south, deep southwest in 5, 4. After J, 3, 2, 1. Everyone out. Everyone out. Disrupt full south. Disrupt full south. Nice. Full wipe them. Okay?
Mark Wade
Spread
looking
now.
west.
Spread now. Spread now. They have north. They are in north. They will ready to engage soon. They will ready to engage. Full demon.
Fake.
Full demon. Full demon. Full demon first. Cycle on the sword. Tell me cool down. Tell me cool down. Tell me cool down. They will engage. Defend. Defend. Counter engage now. Inside of us. 3, 2, 1. Inside of us now. Inside of us now. Full wipe them here. Inside. Broken tayo, man.
They're
Broken yung
walking east.
jacket talaga. Again. Just slowly lang. Just slowly. Overrun them. Overrun them. Is pressure them. Just pressure them.
They don't
Come to me
have
inside.
rebound. They don't have
Eastside
rebound.
Cox. Eastside Cox.
Yeah. I don't have engage. Tell me cool down. Tell me cool down, please.
Ready.
Ready on me east now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now. They're coming up east. They're coming up east. They're coming up east. Full
What
wipe them.
the fuck? Urot!
Then cycle now. Cycle. Cycle now.
broken.
Cycle now.
They're broken.
Keep moving. Is they running now? They run. Full chase them. They run. Full run. Full chase them. Sayang men, wala si Yudes. Di na makacycle ng maayos. Chase.
Wait. Group incumbent to.
Where? Ano yun?
Okay, mana yawa.
Meron pa kami dito kini-chase.
Mabatukan
Hindi ito makakamount up.
Ingat ha, baka mamatay kayo dyan sa camp men. Ay ito, nasa loob. Batukan natin.
Oh shit. There's a guy knocked out here.
Nice.
Ala siguro nila TFD sila, no?
Yun nga eh.
Yawa, mana.
Meron pa dito
Okay, keep chasing them.
Ang dami naming
Hindi na namin
nakikita pala.
chinese.
Huwag yung sa trash to kayo na, hayaan lang sila.
Yeah, wag trash talk guys. Don't trash talk, okay?
Dapat rin. GA, Dre.
Sige.
Ping lang, ping.
Dito, ping.
Coming.
Ashamed of myself.
Uy guys, don't post anything ha. I don't want you to post anything. We are not like other guilds ha.
Hayaan nyo lang silang
Bayaan nyo lang sila if they attack. Set them. If they come, we just fight.
Let's go to the ping.
Babalik pa yata yung mga yan, Go. Babalik pa yata sila.
Sige lang, kung babalik, mas okay yun.
Huwag nyo na lang galawin yung yung banner.
Oh my god. Yes. Good.
Lisod
Also-
kayo ba? Wala tayo, chariot.
Mana?
Mana.
Di okay naman to. Okay lang yung may okay lang yung walang chariot. Hindi lang tayo makacycle because I didn't mark a sword. You guys don't know where to position.
Wala yata silang mana eh.
Oh, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ay, Pangea!
No.
Uy, this Pangea.
Tingnan
Tawagin,
mo talaga
tingnan mo.
kasi mo. Tinalugi. Tulo ako napatay.
This one blood letter.
O yan.
Ping.
Oh man, kill this guy. Holy shit.
Ping.
Gagi, para tayong naging brawl doon Tangin na.
1.5
Oh
yun,
shit.
no?
He had loot.
Naka-CDR na nagpipre,
Nagabol eh.
Maliit lang din sila, Cox, eh.
Kaya nga. Pero delikado yun, men. Naka-clap brawl sila eh.
Schedule trade.
Pero di sila nakaka-damage masyado, no?
Ako pa, rin pa yung
Di, na pressure din yun siguro. Minsan, I think they're not, hindi din kasi, hindi lahat ata ng member din doon, mga experienceado din. May mga iba
Yung
din na,
mga brawler din nila, pre, di nagbo-brawl eh. Tumatakbo lang.
Oo.
Dami sana ang camp natin nun.
parang napapansin, parang nakikita ko din yung Zerg natin sa kanila.
Yung galatin nila, nasa likod lang, eh. Gumagala.
Wala nga ako nakitang gala sa loob eh. Puro takbo na yung gala nila.
Yung
Philippine
gala
Day
nila,
lang sila.
katabi ko, eh.
11 day lang sila.
Hindi nga sila
Okay,
maka-engage
we
maayos.
bang close. Ano yan?
Hindi sila maka-engage maayos. Umuulan ng GE sa kanila.
Yan nga eh. Okay, everyone now come inside HO. If you're not outlaw, we're gonna bank loot here.
Nascent only, right?
What?
Ascent
Bank
HO, right?
inasan?
Yes, we bank loot in a sense. Tangina mo, Axie. Tagal mo, ha? Okay, we bank loots, guys. Then we do castle.
Which tab would you put the loot?
Wait, I'm gonna check. Don't trade me, guys. Don't trade me. Just depo the loot.